Since DJI Neo has a limited storage space, you definitely want to clear the files out of Neo as soon as possible. But doing a quick transfer may also cause your phone to run out of space. Alternatively, you can move your video and photo files from DJI Neo directly to a microSD card on the go if you have DJI RC2. Connect DJI Neo to DJI RC2 using a USB-C cable. But by doing this, DJI Neo battery will start charging. If you do not want to drain your RC2 battery, remove the Neo battery so that it will not charge. But this is another option for you to charge Neo. Connect it again with the USB-C cable. You don't really need the drone to be switched on to access its files. Now that Neo and RC2 are connected, let's first explore DJI Neo's files. These are the files saved on DJI Neo. For this tutorial, we will select some of the files to move, but you can always move everything out. But before that, let's also explore the folder and files on the microSD card on DJI RC2. You can save the files anywhere in the SD card. But for this, let's create a folder where we want to move the files from DJI Neo. We'll call the folder Neo, for example. Now, go back to Neo's folders and select the file we want to move. You can either move the file or you can just copy it, but our goal is to clear the space so we move it. Go to the newly created folder on the microSD card and tap Move. The selected files are now being moved to the microSD card on DJI RC2. Let's now check the files on Neo. The two files are now gone and already been moved. Let's check it on the SD card. It's now saved in the new folder we created a while ago on RC2 microSD card. Now that the files are stored on the RC2 microSD card, you can copy it to your PC or your Mac when you're back home. All good here. Hope you learned something new. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next.